That's the maximum speed. It has 3 speeds. This is number 3. Number 2. So that in place of the battery, I'm using a generator. This is a generator here. It's a 3-phase brushless DC motor. I'm using it as generator. So instead of connecting the chain to the sprocket on the hub motor, I removed it and connected it to the brushless motor that I'm going to use as generator. This here is a 3-phase motor. Is rectified with this bridge rectifier. If I'm pedaling, I need 58 volts or 59 volts to charge my battery back, because my battery charging voltage is 58.8 volts. 58.8 volts. So let me pedal and see what it is giving me. As you can see, it's giving more than 20 volts. Let me adjust it. It gives more than 20 volts. If it doesn't give up to 58 volts, that means I will have to boost it or use a voltage multiplier. Okay, it's giving around 25, so if I boost it now, it gives me 50. This is still not enough. Okay, let's see. If I'm pedaling like this, I'm doing 20, so if I boost it 2 times, can it give me 60? Okay. So now I have it completed. My boost converter give me exactly 58.9, 58.8 when I am pedaling. So that's it. That's 58.9. So the battery is on now. The battery is 51.7. So let's see if the charging system works. Pedal. So it's supposed to be charging like this. Okay, it's strong. It's strong. It's charging. It's charging now. I have to replace the charger with a lithium battery charger. That's one speed. I'm going to be increasing the speed. That's the maximum speed. It has 3 speed. This is number 3. Number 2. And number 1. Remember, the throttle is down. So let's take a ride around here.